Hello, 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 you guys. Today we're gonna be making yogurt bark. Um, Found this recipe on YouTube. Let's get started. I'm not sure how much to use on nothing, so we're gonna eyeball it. Now for the base of my yogurt bark, I'm gonna be using um vanilla low-fat yogurt, and some people I've noticed they use the Greek. But see, here's the thing about using the Greek one. The first time I eat this, I want to make sure it's something that I actually like, and not something that's extremely bitter. Because I know that mess. I tell you, I can only eat that if it's like mixed in a smoothie. All right. And let me get this. Okay, that's good. So normally you would get the regular Greek yogurt and just add honey or something, but I just get the vanilla one. The sugar's already added. And I think I'm gonna do about that much. Okay? Top back on this. And then I want to flavor mine with pomegranate. So I'm gonna shake this up. I'm not sure how much pomegranate juice I put in there. And like I said, we're just trying some out. If it's too thin, of course, just add a little bit more yogurt. But I just want my base to have a pomegranate flavor. Excuse me. But how y'all doing? And then, of course, taste it. Taste it, taste it, taste it, you guys. You gotta make sure you taste your stuff. And you know what? We're gonna add a little bit I pureed some raspberry. I put a little pomegranate juice in this. This is my Ninja Twisty. I put a little pomegranate juice in this with some raspberry. I'm gonna put like half of it in there. Now, mind you, I did a whole little container of raspberries with a little pomegranate juice and just made it smooth. And that's because I want the base of mine not to be so basic and bland. I want it to have flavor. Like, the first time I eat this, I want it to be something that I actually really enjoy. So get that red color. Y'all see that? How it's coming together real nicely. Alright, so our base is pretty much done. I'm gonna stop the video right quick and okay. I'm gonna stop the video right quick and get our you can either get like a baking dish or a cookie dish. Alright, you guys, I found the glass pan. You can either get a cooking dish or a baking dish. I'm gonna get this so it can be easier to put in. And that way if it tilt over just a tad bit, you know. And I'm gonna wipe this because I haven't used this in a while. Let's get a little dust was in there and it wasn't. It's not even dirty. Oh, that water came from the whatchamacallit. I'm sure why it's a little wet. Alright. Get you some parchment paper. Get you some, and I got the pre-cut, and these, oh wow, these are reusable. We use them 3 times. Yep, probably not gonna do all that. These are already cut parchment papers. And this is perfect. And I'm going to turn it on the opposite side. Actually, I'm lying. I'm going to turn it on this side. You know what? I got some for that. That's what I got for it. Alright. Now, let's pour our mixture. So, pomegranate and raspberry. So, pomegranate juice and raspberry puree that I pureed with a few tablespoons or few teaspoons of pomegranate juice. Next time I'll show you. If it's really good, I will definitely show you guys. Because, yeah, I have a feeling this is going to probably get ate up right after you get frozen. Then spread it out. You don't want to spread it too thinly. Just spread it enough to where not just big glopes and y'all know what I'm trying to say. Alright. Here we go. Now, I got some pistachios, and these are pistachios that I just shelled myself. So these are not the, actually hold on, these are my chili ones. Unsalted pistachios, and I'm just gonna sprinkle them. And I'm gonna put a little color to this. Then we're gonna do some green kiwi and yellow gold kiwi. The yellow one is real sweet. And we got some blueberries. I don't like the way that one look. Make sure you get them edges. And you also get that middle. Them edges in that middle. Do my background look cluttered, y'all? I just got done washing my dishes. And I just got back from the store. Then I got some strawberries. I did not know that when I cut these strawberries up, it was going to be that much. Actually, you know what? I think I needed all of these strawberries, to be honest with you. This is just enough strawberries. Okay. Then I got some pomegranate seeds. I probably won't use all these. This is looking so pretty. Y'all see that? We're gonna put all these seeds up in this. Why not? Then we got some honey almond granola. I tried to get the one with not that much sugar, but it costs too much. And this one was the store brand one, and it was cheaper. And I just want like a little crunch, you know, a little extra crunch with the, you know, and I'm gonna put this on the specifically the areas where like the real edgy parts. Put it on the edges, or just put it in the little spaces where you see the yogurt. You know, a little bit too much exposed. You know. Y'all, this is looking like a fat person's this is like a fat person's this is looking like a real life fat person's what they call it. This is looking like a fat person's meal, or I can't think of the words, but we're gonna drizzle some raspberry. I mean, I am that fat person. I am that fat person. I just want to drizzle all this raspberry puree. And this is raspberry puree, by the way. Oh, yeah. Ooh! And there it is. And we're going to put this bad boy in the freezer. And we'll be back. That thing look good. Hello, 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 you guys. This is our peppermint bark. I put it in my deep freezer in my basement. This is what it looks like. Cannot wait to give this a try. So let me, this looks so good. Let me take pictures on my phone right quick. Walk on by. Oop! I did not mean to take that many pictures. All that I have left. Okay, y'all. So instead of breaking it, I'm gonna just cut it. You know what? Where the paper towels at? Alright, got my hand on the paper towel. Okay. Wow, y'all see that? Y'all see that? And then just kind of, I guess, break it up like that. Big bite. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. I think cold. Okay. Mm-hmm. Alright. Let me dress it up real nice. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Alright. So for the yogurt part, we got, I put pomegranate juice, and I put raspberry puree. And I add a little pomegranate juice and the raspberry puree for this color. And look, this part got the little cashew and taste that. Okay. Yeah. It's so good. Now, for the yogurt part, raspberry puree and raspberry puree and pomegranate juice. Just I added just enough to, you know, what start changing colors, and I did a vanilla, low fat, low sugar yogurt. Then I put it on the pan. Then I cut up about 3 to 5 strawberries, depending on how big it is. Chopped it up real small. Pomegranate seeds. I got some pistachios that I deshelled. And then I got some granola in there. Oh, I got some green kiwi, and also I got yellow kiwi as well. And am I missing anything? And I drizzled the leftover raspberry puree. I drizzled it all on top. Alright. So yeah. And then they say you're just supposed to put it in a bag. And then put it in the freezer so when you can have it later. Let me eat that little piece. Okay. I like this. But yeah, you guys, I like it. I've seen some people, they put sugar in theirs. And I'm gonna be honest, if I make something like this, I'm not gonna make it unhealthy. That's why I put all these vegetables. Ooh. Let me try this piece with a kiwi at. Y'all see that? And I put the little paper towel over this side because I was gonna give my sister some to see if she like it. So that's it, you guys. Yeah, that's it. So hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys like it. All right, bye.